That's where they tried to get in.
Alright.
Yeah, there you go. Oh shit. You see how misty it is?
Oh.
Alright. Welcome back, guys. Today we're back at Stockport Air Raid Shelters, and today we're with Exploring with SJ, all the way from Newcastle. So make sure you jump on over to his channel and give him a like, give him a sub. Go this way, I'm gonna stay to the left.
I'll do this intro now. Well, welcome back everyone. Yeah, we're on another explore. I'm up in the northwest. And I'm here with Urbex, with Matty.
Yo.
So if you're watching, I'll put a link below for his YouTube.
Yeah, check the old lights.
Let's have a look.
It's an old toilet seat lid as well. Could you stay there too shouting?
Yes, sorry everyone. So it's our same. I'm here with Urbex with Matty. Give it a sub. I'll put the link below. So today we're in
Stockport Air Raid Shelter.
Stockport Air Raid Shelter.
This one's called Dodgehill.
Dodgehill Air Raid Shelter, Stockport. And I'm not sure how long this goes.
I'm not sure about this one, I think.
About 2 miles or something.
Yeah, I think this one probably housed around 1,000 people.
Yeah, 1,000 people.
A bit mucky there.
Sound.
Oh, it's mucky down here. Oh, yeah, it's soggy down here.
As you can see, everyone, it's very, very cloudy here, so we'll just probably get a bit dry as we go along.
We filled in that. Yeah, this is the wettest side of it. It's empty in there. It from there anyway, innit? Oh, that's small, that. Yeah. It's just it.
So I wonder where this part is to where the bricked up, do you think it's that?
Yeah, that other bricked up bit where you can't really see through that, so that'll be the other side of it.
The other side.
Which means it goes deeper into the other way.
Yeah.
So if we go the other way, then it's going to go deep into the fucking rock. It's audible that. I wonder where them two disappeared to.
Right on the triggers. Not speaking to you. Do you know, I can't even remember his name, and that's what I see is give you a shout out on the video, so leave a comment under the video, because I know you said you're going to watch, and leave it your name, because I honestly forgot, and I'm sorry. So the lad on the train I was talking to, shout out to you.
Turns at the bottom there. That's the same way it takes us around that one, isn't it? Can walk down this one.
The other one, look at all the beds there. The beds where people have slept on during the war.
These air raid shelters were built, I think it was 1939.
1939.
Yeah.
So
I think it was the war was what? The Second World War was 1942.
I think so. Yeah.
It's when the shelter from the Blitz. There you go.
So if anyone else wants to
That's
meet
a long
this
tunnel.
place, just go to the Dodgehill Air Raid Shelter, Stockport, and it'll tell you more about it.
Which way do we go then?
Just do a couple of photos.
Quiet down here. One of them lights there. Oh, mould. Nasty bit of mould.
Can't cross anyone.
That piping went in here last time. I think that's what's fell off the ceiling. I think they're down here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Check that. A lot of bunks.
All the bunk beds there again, look at them all. Still in pretty good condition.
Yeah, to be fair, considering they've been down here, what, 60 years?
Definitely.
It's just tunnels off left, right and centre. There's the stairs.
Just gonna stick that there. Sorry everyone, I must put my glove on.
Go down that way in a second.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ah, yes, the stairs. So, yeah, we're going to go on this would be one of the entrances. Top edge brick top, looks like it would be a home probably down here.
This is the top.
So where would it be, what would be on the other end of this?
Do you know when we came over the bridge?
Yeah.
That hill that went up
Oh, yeah.
was in the side of the wall. going on the way down there.
Yeah. You good?
You still mooching? You two still mooching about in here?
So, there would be many people went down these stairs when the sirens went off. Those that wanted to be shut down.
They disappear fast, them two. That would have been an old toilet.
Yeah, oh god, yeah. There we are, that's what they would have used when they were down here. There would have been like a lid thing on for the toilet.
That's it, that's the end there anyway.
The end.
You can actually see there where the pickaxe has full on hit the wall.
Oh yeah.
Proper pick marks, you can actually see.
You can see them, yeah.
Little squares. See where they've actually swiped it in. I've been each swing of the pickaxe out because it's only like sandstone. It'll just dig through it really easily. Really soft stone it is. It's the other side of that tunnel where we were looking from a minute ago.
Oh yes. Oh, so yeah, this is the. So this is how many beds are in here, guys. We were just at the other end when I was showing you the beds, and now this is the bottom. So there's quite a lot.
And still more.
There's still more. There's
couple more there. Oh, someone knocked a wall down here. That would have been the toilets by the look of that.
yeah.
Small toilets. Oh, we're getting closer to them too.
Yeah. When we get up to that, I'll probably come around the floors.
Point the camera down instead.
Do you know we should turn up the torches and just show people exactly how dark it is in here? Use a torch.
Should we do it?
I'll turn it on.
Well, that's just my floodlight. A minute.
Hello?
Yeah, a second. Ready for the darkness.
So this is how dark it is, people. Yeah, picture that.
Anything much up there? Much up that way?
Nah, I look back to the entrance.
Oh, it takes you back to the entrance, that one?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, I've just walked around in a circle.
All right, when you come in and then all that, you walk.
I'll just press this on pause and pause.
I think this is the toilets here as well. Yeah. Yeah, still got shit in here.
Couldn't say. That's the recording.
It's the toilets here.
Ah.
The doors are collapsed.
These have all been cubicles.
Oh, this one's still got a complete toilet. That's what it would have looked like. And then there would have been a metal lid.
Oh, yeah.
That's the wood where the doors would have been. That's literally just taking us back this way.
Yeah.
It's the other set of toilets. I think obviously one's male, one's female, isn't it? Oh, that's a tricky one. Oh, see, that's what you got to watch out for as well.
What was that?
Needles.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, smack my shoulder off that wall. This is where we walked down before, wasn't it? So we've gone round in a massive circle there. Oh god.
I think if I don't know if I've got that, I don't know if I have, I'll have to edit.
My camera was pointing down. Yeah, I can tell we're getting back to the entrance now because it's smoky.
Yeah, like misty, dusty.
I'm fucking sure it took longer last time I was in here. Some old newspapers there.
Oh yeah, you can see them there.
I think I got it on my video last time I was in here. 2000 and... Oh, it just says 2000 when I look at that. Yeah, 2000. October 9, 2000. 23-year-old paper that's been sat in the mud. Surprised there's anything left of it. Go back to the entrance.
And there everyone is the entrance. Getting